Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, my name is Joy and you're so welcome. Thank you for tuning in. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a DIY flaxseed gel and aloe vera leave-in treatment. I'm going to be telling you guys a lot that you can do with this leave-in treatment. So but before we get right into today's video, if you're just joining me for the first time, then you want to click that subscribe button and also give this video a like. Also guys, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload a video you'll be notified. And also do well to engage me in the comment section below. Thank you guys. So let's jump right into today's video. My first ingredient is going to be aloe vera gel. So I have a video on how I made this. I'm going to drop a link in the description or in the iCards on your screen. Then I'm using 2 spoons of aloe vera gel for this DIY treatment. Then the next ingredient is going to be my flaxseed gel. I also have a link in the description box on how to make this DIY flaxseed gel. So I'm going to mix it thoroughly, and then I'm going to be adding 2 spoons of olive oil. And guys, you know olive oil is very rich. It helps to boost hair growth and also prevent hair loss. It contains a lot of vitamin and essential antioxidants. It contains vitamin E. So the next ingredient I'm putting in is my glycerin. So I'm adding glycerin there. And before that, I added the vitamin E oil to improve shine and also help with softening the hair. And then my glycerin is for added moisture. It's going to attract moisture into my hair strands and keep my hair moisturized all times. And then my next ingredient is my peppermint oil, which is the essential oil of my choice. So feel free to use any essential oil of your choice. Then I just go in and mix this up with my hand blender just to, you know, make it mix properly. And then guys, this is it. Your leave-in is ready. You can use this for multiple purposes, either as a Prepoo treatment, a moisturizer, or even a detangler. So I find this helpful a lot, especially when I'm dealing with maybe some tangles or a matted hair. This just goes a long way to soften that area up and loosen every tangles and knots that I might have on my hair. So this is just a short demonstration on how I use this. I apply it when I want to twist my hair, and guys, it leaves your hair feeling smooth, soft, easy to manage and easy to detangle. So it also helps your hair to shine. So this is it guys. I'm loving this DIY and I think you should try it also. You're going to love it. So that will be all for today's video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button and also give this video a like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.